Hey guys, this is Jam of JamOnline.ph and welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna unbox and take a closer look at the newest notebook of Lenovo, the Lenovo Yoga 9i. So as you can see in here, this one is quite new and I was actually surprised that this was new. I mean, I didn't expect that they would send me a new one. Anyway, this is the Yoga box. I just want to show you how thin the box is, how good the box is. I'm pretty impressed with the design of this one sa box pa lang. And of course, we got here, I believe this is the charger. So, we're not gonna, say a lot of things now. Let's proceed to our unboxing with this one. So, as you can see in here, we got here the dongle. So this is a USB-C dongle. You can also plug in your HDMI and also your VGA port for this one. Also got here the charger. This is, by the way, a USB-C charger. So you can use, I believe, your other USB-C chargers as long as you have the supported wattage for the Lenovo Yoga 9i. Look at the beauty of this one. Box pa lang, panalo na for the Lenovo Yoga 9i. My God, you can see in here, we got here a care guide for the leather cover. So it comes with a leather cover for the smartphone, okay? And for the laptop rather. This one is real. This one is real leather, boys. Oh my God, this one is really good. It comes in a real leather back. I love the look of this one. I love to take a look at this one later, so I'm gonna turn it on now. Of course, we got here the safety guide. So basically, that's it for the box. So time to open the laptop and let's see what we can expect dito sa Lenovo Yoga 9i. So we're still setting up the Lenovo Yoga 9i, but I can tell you already that this laptop means premium. It means business. I'm pretty sure that you will love the design of this one. So first things first, like I've told you earlier, we got here a leather. So according to them, this is actually a authentic black hand-tooled European leather cover that is sourced and expertly crafted with a 20-step inspection. Imagine that. That is really premium. I actually like the feel of this one. It doesn't feel cheap. You will know that once you hold it, that the laptop is really premium. The leather is really excellent. You can actually smell that this one is actually leather. And like I mentioned earlier, meron tayong care guide on how to take care of the leather of the Lenovo Yoga 9i. So if this one fades, yung leather niya, I'm pretty sure that this one is actually leather. Kasi the real leather, authentic leather does fade over time if maraming surfaces na nag-scratch dito or maraming patong. Anyway, those are the things that I am not really an expert of. I mean, I just know that those things. But going back, let's talk about the design of this one. So, this one actually comes with an edge-to-edge glass palm rest. So it means that what you're seeing in here right now is actually glass. From here to here. There's the fingerprint scanner over here. We also got here the touchpad. And of course, this one is a touchscreen. If I wanted to exit this one, okay. Get started, next, done. So yan, this is the display of the notebook. Mamaya, we're gonna talk about it. But first, I want to show you that we got here a glass edge-to-edge glass palm rest. We also got here the touchpad that is really premium kasi nga it's glass, so hindi siya yung parang mapupudpud agad, yung magiging shiny agad because this one is made up of glass. However, here's the thing, since this one's an edge-to-edge glass palm rest, meron lang siyang parang maliit na border dito for the touchpad and also the fingerprint scanner. But if you're using it like this, okay, I'm gonna use the touchpad. Sometimes, lalagpas na kayo dun sa touchpad nyo and you wouldn't notice because the edges doesn't have really a difference between the height. So, more on may konting emboss lang siya na very, very small. But, look at the keyboard. We also got here the keys that is unique to Lenovo keyboard. What I like about it is that it's soft. The travel distance is just perfect. The actuation is just fine for me. And I can actually type really fast on this one. So the keyboard of the Lenovo Yoga 9i is actually pretty excellent for me. So Aside doon, we mentioned that there's an edge-to-edge glass palm rest. We got here the leather. We also got here 18 bezel design. So as you can see in here, we got here minimal bezel on the side. We got here minimal bezel on the side, minimal bezel on the top. Para tayo may reverse notch at the top of the monitor of the display because there's the webcam at the top. So with the webcam, you can actually physically close that one. Meron tayong slider dito sa taas that lets you close yung ating webcam para, you know, magkameron tayo ng privacy dito sa Lenovo Yoga 9i. So, the Lenovo Yoga 9i isn't a perfect notebook without the ports, okay? So, of course, we got here the ports. For the ports, again, we've mentioned that we got here a dongle included on the notebook. It's a USB-C to HDMI or to HDMI or VGA port. For this one, you can see in here that we got here the USB-A port, the USB-C port, another USB-C port, and a headphone jack. So the two USB-C ports supports Thunderbolt 4, I believe, since this one is running on the 11th generation Intel processor. So you also notice that this one is actually pretty thin. So this one is has a thickness of 16.5 millimeters and it just weighs at 1.44 kilograms. It's not that bad considering that we got here a 14-inch display in a notebook. And actually, this one is pretty light. And the design, my God, it's really premium. From here to here, it's leather, glass, and metal. Overall, the materials that were used on the Lenovo Yoga 9i was actually pretty good. So as you can see in here, we got here the display. So we've mentioned before that this one gets up to 4K na display. The one that we got in here is a full HD display, but despite that, this one is actually pretty good. I like the display of this one. It's still colorful. It's not as good as a 4K display with a display HDR 400 or 500, but the brightness, the colors of this one is still pretty good for me and I actually like it. As for the other hardware, we got here the 11th generation Intel Core i7-1185G7 GPU. It comes with Intel Iris Xe graphics, which is basic enough and enough to run most games like Overwatch at a decent frame rate. So yes, you could use it for work and you could also use it for gaming because Intel Iris Xe has a generational leap talaga when it comes to performance compared to the previous Intel GPU. As for the RAM, we got here 16 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of internal storage. So, aside dun sa pagiging laptop niya, this one is actually made for productivity. I've already mentioned the display, the leather, the glass-to-glass, the premium design, but this one is actually a convertible notebook. So yes, you could use that one. It's a convertible notebook. If you want to draw on this one, there's actually a hidden na stylus pen dito. You can actually use the stylus pen for the input on in this notebook. So if you want, I could sign documents like this. I could open different documents and of course use the hidden pen dito sa notebook na to. It's actually pretty hidden and I actually like that we got here the pen at the side of the notebook. This is a similar design that we have seen on our previous Yoga notebook that we've also unboxed and tested. So yes, you can see in here, it's a really nice display. It's convertible and we also got here this one. I want to show you this one. So this is actually some grills over here. So we also got here some grills that you know, you could use for better speaker and also for its fan. Actually, according sa kanila, it has a dual fan and pipe design, which is the industry's thinnest fan. And the rotating hinge, it's just innovative. Hindi nyo lang papansin, but it's actually innovative as it has not only na meron siyang hinge, of course, for the convertible, but also it also allows yung dual fan and pipe design niya. So, magkakameron tayo ng better thermals dito sa notebook na to. And since we got here a Dolby Atmos speaker, this one actually has a pretty good na speakers. I've actually tried it earlier and I was actually amazed that the audio of this one is really great. And considering na meron siyang Intel Core i7, the Intel Evo 1, nakikita niyo yung sticker dito. The performance is already expected na okay siya. We haven't tried it talaga ng masinsinan, but I'm pretty sure that I would love the performance of this one and also the battery life that promises up to 17 hours of battery life dito sa notebook na to. So again, this notebook is for the premium talaga. I mean, for those who mean business. I mean, we got leather over here. We got glass over here. It's really premium metal. The display is nice. The keyboard is nice. We got here a really cool thermal design that I would love to test it out soon once na ma-hands-on pa natin itong notebook na to. So I guess that's it dito sa unboxing and short hands-on natin. Actually, it's not that short. It's a hands-on of the Lenovo Yoga 9i. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, now is the time to subscribe. So once again, I am jamonline.ph. Be sure to click that like button and also that bell button to get notified of our latest videos here on my YouTube channel. So once again, ulitin ko ulit, I'm jamonline.ph. Thank you for watching and see you guys again in my next video.